Whoa, what is famous Martini in a Mexican restaurant? Yes, this is gonna be so really big. You need to pay $3 million and cheat $2 million. Everything in China. This is just for just your husband. You need to eat 2 human flesh, a horse and raw beef. That's chicken. And what is the red thing? Oh, just don't ever mind that because it's weird. Rather just dick. We want to be in this. Oh, this is a Mexican restaurant. Let's eat. Oh wow, that was my weirdest thing I ever seen in my life. My weirdest thing I ever seen in my life. I wanna be honest. Ow! That was the most sexiest thing I ever seen in my life. You ever eat chicken? I want to just ruin that. Oh yeah. Let me put it on pieces. In hot plate. This is just like your boy. And milkshake alone. This is how you make a chicken. First, you need to put the light, stop it. Oh, I forgot to. Okay, that is just a thing, but it's a Mexican restaurant. You want to be on a thing, or you want to be inside of this? This thing doesn't doesn't make any sense. Yes, you need to eat that for your entire life, only for $3,000. How am I gonna do this? But I'm so hungry. Sigma? Hey! You guys eat humans? Sorry, I'm dead. Hey. Oh, and you, Maki? Yes, Sean, I am dead. Like sexy Matt. Okay, that was the most weirdest thing I've ever seen in my life. This is empty. Oh my god. You decided you want to eat the chicken or $3,000. Both of them. Yeah. This is just me or it's just for the stick? Okay, let me sign it. Wednesday Matt's Gold. Pensacola, Manila, Philippines. You wanna be inside it? My real name is Poopy Butt. I want to make you a thing, just permitted in China. You want to be a thing? Just take a look at my appropriate deleted. Thank you. Oh yeah, that is my thought. Okay, that was in my entire thing. And I forgot something. Look you. Okay. You now win $10,000. Oh, that's not how it works. Yes, that works. Right here is $3,000. Oh yeah. I mistakenly, that's not my $3,000. Thank you for my smoke count. You want to be on this? Okay.
Subscribe, you can now. Thank you, subscribe. You can now like that. You can now like that. Bye.
No.
Bye. Thank you, subscribe. You like that. You like that. You like that. We will close now the video. Bye. Thank you and subscribe.